Hi, let's go over how to find all employees' compensation at a given entity. Under Quick Search, go to Search Type, and then select Entity Compensation Search. This will pull up a select input of all the entities in our database. Let's go ahead and select Alpine City. Then click Search. This will take us to the Entity Compensation Downloader page. Please note that for some large entities, right here, you won't be able to see them on this page. Instead, their compensation will be downloaded directly to your Downloads folder for you. In this case, Alpine City is a smaller entity, so their data is able to show up on this web page. This is their data. We basically give you the entity name, the fiscal year, the employee, their title, the net amount, description of the transaction, the fund information, the organization information, like where in this case, the city this employee is working, and then the category of this compensation. In this case, we have a lot of compensation transactions for paid leave. If you want to download this for further analysis, you can click CSV button here to download that data to your folder. If you have any questions about this tool, please reach out to our office. Thank you.